Celebrate every new upgrade to your home and live your best life with our best birthday deals. Transform your space with a 3-piece Everest Recliner Lounge Suite for only 22,999, or complete your bedroom wish list with a Restonic Vegas Queen Base Set for just 4899. Go to OK Furniture now. Valid until the 5th of July 2026. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. It's Canada 1, Bafana 1. Ngumdlalo we-FIFA World Cup 2026. I-host Noko. Sayazi ukuthi basibethile namhlanje juniors. I-host together with USA. There are 3 countries, right? Abahosta in Mexico. Abahosta ke le tournament ye-World Cup yalo nyaka 2026. Bafana iphumile. We are out. Last week we were so excited, but namhlanje we are disappointed. But we are proud of the boys. Junior, mandikubulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Shane maphela kunjani?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Ngibulise Justice, ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi. Nkulule kwamabrada, ngibulise ubobuzini. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, hard luck for abachita abazamile. I think they've tried. Well done. Mina bengabhekana kuba group stages ukuthi sodlula. Europe, Shane, you know, in Europe it's very easy ukuthi ba ngikhuluma ngama-analysis wabo. They analyze individual players and they can deal with you. The question is how clever you are, you've got a strong character now. Asikhulume ngegame namhlanje. Ucela ucompliment i-defense yethu. Yeah, I think Umdao first half uspanile Umdao. Though it was difficult for him, the captain, the one who scored, very clever player. Doesn't have akusumuntu one pace ngalondlela clever. Very skillful, intelligent. He understand the game very well. Labantu laba they've got they had so many options. I mean, dead man run, if you can't play off the ball, kule level angekudlala. Mbekeleseli Mbokazi, it will be lucky if umfana uyahlala kule country lapha kuChicago. Maybe he can stay another season, but I'm sure the boy made the name for himself. I mean, the boys not deal. Bekumele ngabe sidlule le game 2-3. If that's for me, if only one, there's a boy, I'll keep a ngena ngikhuluma ngebhola second half. If you check how we cover, it's like you wipe. The way you read the game is like yazi abantu abanjengalaba ama-player, most ama-midfielders, clever, talented players, so skillful, and the boy is so gifted ngendlela ukuthi the age akuyo, the way akwazi uku-anticipate ngakhona uku-read the game is so clever, very strong. Iwina ama-battle wakhe, ibhola aerial, very smart player mfethu. I think njoba ngisho nalo mfana wakhona unfortunately kunale bhola basic yebhola le bhola lalibuselela but take away from the boy mfana udlalile. Yeah, but for me, I think he played very well. For me, bengifuna ukumbona first half a bit doughty. Ngoba bengibona kahle ukuthi I think uphinda lahleke. But Mbokazi, yes, I know umcover a lot, yabo. Because if you don't complement one another, I don't understand why mina endlaleni ethu. But mangimcheck nje kule game, as the game could progress, ichubeka. I think umjito ugcina the confident igcina isizela, understand. Now much better. Asikhulume nge-first half. These guys, Tina, we had so many back passes, negative football, and yes, it looked like we had so many ball possession, but we played back passes too much. And then today, Shane, that's why I don't. Angisumuntu olalela ama-fans kakhulu, but ama-fans, everybody une opinion. We don't blame anyone. Yabo umuntu une opinion yakhe, but honestly speaking, Shane, look at these guys. It's not all. Yabona sometimes. Mina ngithi ethanda ngumuntu obelieve ukuthi umele share ibhola. But sometimes at this level, look at these guys. It build up we too slow, man. I think it's different with this team today. How we build up in this guy. This guy, they didn't need 6 touches.
We spoke about that also during the game, while we were watching the game, Junior. I think it was you who said, but it build up here to man is very slow.
Shane, these guys, they do 3 touches.
But Tina, we need to make about 10, 11 touches before. Not even the figure boxing, before the figure. kwi-center line.
before sithole evident or uReynolds or ubani bani mawu striker unelakhe bakuthashisa ibhola in the South Africa so ibhola dlala here in the midfield they go backwards uRonwen thasha ibhola more than ama midfielders you understand it's true uRonwen he just relax and chill. Ronen did very well today.
Yeah.
I think he saved us. Ronen Megazan Bogazi. Tebza is not himself, was not himself. That's for me. He came in and I'm trying. Tebza, sometimes I think he tried too much. There was no combination between Tebza, not even complimenting one another. Tebza, I think, first 10 minutes, this 15 minutes, these guys, Babuni looked okay. We link.
You think Bamblani?
Yes, because Tebza, Begawala, the first 10 minutes, Apuma La Payana, but where I was a bit distant, so I was good to tell this boy. Which is the coach's mistake. Coach keeper. That's why I mean you go processing no which sometimes I'm agent. I think personal because we are supposed to be eliminated. No, Shane. I think it was the weakest link in our team. If you can't play, you must at least defend as a defensive midfielders. I mean, position are keeping fun. In today's game, we are defensive midfield. As the game progresses, he became a defensive midfield. We are in front of Tebza. And I couldn't understand. And so when I coach, we are good time. But now, I check up a now spilled up at the back. The guy can. And Europe, I'm very disappointed for him. And coaching volume keep tilling. That's why I need to be processing. Keep this guy. This boy Pela Begashambulugi came in today. He runs off the ball. Will level if I was off the ball. He never lost the ball. And going forward, not playing safe. Because our police we because in nature. Will game. Mfetutina, Laban by Shady analysis. They said one, these guys at the back they are very tight. But Lalang side one. They play, he came here. I check is on the right hand side. Only Masego. And the guy on the left hand side, Tinto Begayanza, always Maga receive ball is here. I'm feeling simple and then Masego need to play backwards. Simple. He can't Magazamuk Chena and then the guy will poke along upon the symbol. A police pay positioning a Kamaga receive ball. As Nation Mina police manning him questioning a pie, even a go pay to premiership. I want a month like wing and a pagati. You know, challenging. Yes, you might score goals, but once you can get a team structured, well organized, yeah, power to Zwenzan if there's traffic here. You understand? Because these guys, they were so smart and tactical. Police. He never even try like Yambona this boy Beba Makile and this boy Umabas, but he was forcing his way to go forward. I mean to say Masego. Sure. So a police always receive the ball, play negative pass. Always receive ball is next to Mdiba. Sometimes they lose the ball because they're close to one another. So I couldn't understand and so a very difficult game for us. I think yes, even I'm short. Away, I think Fanyana from Ipalini never created clear-cut chances. This is a game label's test of a real chin. Manga check out he played to came in and Basfagana pressure these guys. Every time start the ball and Bafagu Tebs apart. It's like a triangle next to Tebs. But we turn they press him. We always make good Tebs Aguna la 12 passer, but interceptor going straight direct to the body. So these guys, you go Gune Poliline first half, I think in a set piece. We were supposed to consider that well done to Mdiba, well done to Ronen. Ronen is not delayed today, I will be honest. Mdiba Udlalile. I think as game now, my mover, Utale na pitch shake, but he came my mover. Ufana Jenga am down. Watala Wangene came in. Defense to you compliment Jemina. The boy makes the mistake, but I think a mistake because he did very well. Ugia Luxuga midfield together. Ulang the problem.
Tell me, Junior, Lombos Bekin and Boza and Gulego. Now that the World Cup is Pelile. Obviously, Coach Hugo Bros, I think, is leaving. I stand to be corrected because I think I've heard this might be his last tournament. Now, if you bring in a coach, Junior, where do you start? I mean, because I know we have a coach under 17, we have a coach under 20. But now, as Usafa, we call up the project. Do you say, okay, since AFCON feature next year in June, let's focus on Bafana Bafana, or do you start it from under 17, under 20, up until you figure Bafana Bafana, where we are good, okay, if players are so under 17, under 20 is the progress, and Jalon, so figure Bafana Bafana. We're getting happy, you won't get a junior.
Shane, can you keep this group of players? Mawa check age not much. Mshisha ngatsam talana. Ronen Williams, Abu Tebza, you keep them. May go continue. But now, Shane. we don't have to sugarcoat here. Asekeni ukubaleka mfethu. It's very important. We need to bring research abantu abanjenga people who understand the game. Khona lento abathi process in football.
Yeah.
You understand? Ama cut and paste leyo kuzwisa abantu ubuhlungu. South Africa sebe ne hope nento engeke izenzeke. We can't win the World Cup. I mean, kuzoba ne level once masiphunyuke na ngembobo yesikhiya. So tiba nabanye abantu gonna get exposed 6-5, 7. Shane, when you check these players badlala ngale intensity abadlala ngayo, they hardly lose the ball ngepass. They hardly lose the ball nge-first touch. They play under pressure from the first whistle. I mean, these guys, they deserve to win this game, honestly, compared to us. Because of how they play, the level of quality. As quality, let alone, the game was very close, like mhlambe sibadle 1-0. Very defense spanile. But the quality, Shane, you can tell, mfethu, abayiqala ngule age abakuyo. So ukuphendula, mina ngizoyibeka so, bring Pitso Mosimane there.
Okay.
He has achieved more than any coach that in South Africa, Pitso. The brand of football that is playing. Iyo lenze i-Sundowns ibe la ikhona iyo le benefit ne-national team, and bring Rulani next to him as an assistant basipane boyi-2. Also uPitso must identify coaches under 23, under 20, under 20, under 17 afan the same philosophy. Now under 23 ngeke ngabuza question nala sigcineni nokudlala, you make sure under 23 they play games weekend and week nabo, I mean to say ngala ma FIFA break consistent,
sure,
and under 20 as well. Kube ne continuity from those players like other team abo Brazilian stuff. I mean, I can tell you now, Guno Ryan at Brazil, you understand? Brazil to introduce Ryan. Udlala kule ngwenye zePhonoma leza se England. Yes. The boy is 19 years. He's playing in the World Cup. So now as a country want to see that. Mina ngimind ukuthi sidliwe ngentwana like bona bo really we go abombekezela imbukasi. I don't mind that. But now you see in South Africa, want to bring another coach. Mangiti balando Pitso. If you bring another coach, yes, Europe wherever, this group of players you might not see them again. And then it's color points, and then see hope again as a country. And then you come back again quick. So Shane, feta sigani na cut and paste. Can we restructure development? Ikala na club level. Mina dai dengan development, I don't care about routine. I've learned a lot from Chet Dimitri. Chet told me one thing. He was like a father to me, Chet, and he produced so many coaches, Bonabo Pitso and stuff. One child, what Lalela, my son, no Farouk. Farouk was in Brazil, I think, 3 years. Because students are what these guys did only thing talent in above measure, but it development will have Baba, they invest in football. It
That's
development
the difference between us and them.
They don't care about seniors and stuff. Here, they give it all. They don't agnama cut and paste. You understand? Because Manga Cheka Sebe never evident. In today's game, he couldn't make a space for himself. He struggled. You can tell the boy going to just jump in. No man natural talented. If I know yeah, Mount Pega, couldn't age. Lentis of exposure, Shane. You can be physically fit, but somewhere is shy. Either in thinking or whatever. In this level, development, the proper development, cool. So Shane, from just to pendula, I hope you pendula.
Exactly. Yeah. Tabula Junior, that's it. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo babafana bafana and lapho ke sithe sabetha khona ke eCanada ngenqa kwelinye eqandeni. Into leyo ethetha ukuthi ke siphumile kwindebe yehlabathi ka2026. From myself and Junior, inkosi kakhulu ngobukela iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.